Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the third and final look using the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I did a little series of 3 different looks using this palette, so if you guys want to see the other 2 looks, they'll be up on my channel as well. This is definitely my favorite look out of the looks that I created, so if you guys would like to see how I did that, then just keep watching. All right, let's get into the third and final look. I am gonna go in with this blend shade, this taupe color first, and a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to place that up above my crease and just blend it through to my nose. Now I'm going to take this lighter transition color, it's a little bit cooler, and I'm just going to cool down this warm tone and also lighten it up. So I'm just going to kind of blend it over top. So good news is we have tentative plans to go back to sports for the kids. I'm so excited to see them skate again. They've been training outside on the outside rinks, and we have a rink in our backyard as well, so they've been keeping up with their skills, so I'm so excited. Usually after Christmas, especially with hockey season, like in a normal situation, teams always seem to progress a lot more after you get the outdoor rinks going, so kids can go and practice more with their friends, with different levels of kids. Like you get to see older kids and kids that might not be in your division, so you can play with faster players. So it's always good to see them go back on the ice after Christmas. Last year we didn't get to, so I'm really excited to see my boys skate again, and after they've had more time training, so I'll be excited to see what happens. Now with a flat brush, I'm gonna go in and pick up this nice rosy pink tone, and I'm gonna start applying that all over my lid. Gonna go up into my crease as well to brighten up that area. I really love the way that this pink looks all over the eyelid, and even with that soft taupe color. It's such a good combination. I just want to darken the outer corner a little bit, so I'm going to go in with this shade next to it that has some cool purple tones to it, gray tones. I think I use this, yeah. In the second look, I did like that look. It was pretty smoky for like my eyes, but I did love the combination of colors together, and I just wanted to experiment with placement and all of the colors in this palette. So it was a little bit darker, but I did like the way it looked. So I'm just sticking to the outer V of the eye and just kind of pressing it into the crease a little bit. Now I'm just going to blend it through a little bit with a fluffy brush. Just make it a little bit more seamless. The colors do, all of these shadows really blend nicely together. Now I'm going to go in with this lightest color on top. It's got a light, doesn't look as light pink on camera, but that is the undertone, really light pinks and gold, like a cooler gold, not a warm gold. And I'm just gonna go on the inner corner with that. All right, now I'm going to take that blend color and square brush and just go under my eyes a little bit. And you can see how it's a lot warmer than up here. So I'm going to take that transition color as well, the lighter transition color, and cool it down and lighten it up. Now I'm going to take this neutral brown right here and an angled brush, and I'm just going to press that into my lash line. Not trying to go on to the lid so much as just softening the lash line a bit. Just thickening it up and softening it. So it doesn't really change the look of the eyeshadow look too much, just packing that soft brown into the lash line, but it just kind of softens that lash line area. Like it's not as harsh against the lighter colors and just gives you a little bit more fullness to the lashes as well. All right, so I tightlined and added mascara, and this is the final look. I love the way it turned out. I love the tones together, the matte taupe tones that I kind of made a little bit cooler, and just the pinks and the pinks blending together, but it's not like overly pink. Like it's a neutral look, but it's just a little bit more, I think. It makes my eyes look a little bit more blue. I love the way it turned out. The colors blended beautifully together, and yeah, hopefully it is something that you guys can recreate as well. So on my lips today, I just used the e.l.f. lipstick stick in the shade Natural, just because it has a little bit more of a pink undertone, and I wanted to kind of have that dusty rose vibe going on today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and this little series of doing 3 different looks in 3 different videos. For me, it works really well, especially right now with everything going on and just where we're at in the, like right now it's winter time and it is -40 outside for us with the wind chill, so there's not a lot of places I'm going, so I don't just want to buy makeup just to try it out. Like I want to be able to use it a couple times, and just being able to do a few different videos with it just makes it a little bit more justifiable for buying products that are a little bit more expensive. So definitely with eyeshadow palettes, I want to get into doing that a little bit more, using it more than once, and creating a few different videos with it, and giving you guys some ideas and looks that you can recreate on your own, and maybe wanting to get those palettes as well because you see value in them and you see yourself using them and creating many looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.